world? Welcome back to Radical Investors, where we talk about stocks, crypto, and all the ways how to make the money. I'm Wasu, and I'm back here again giving you guys another market update. There's so many things happening specifically in the crypto and stock world that we wanted to kind of do a mid-week update to give you guys in real time some of the actions that are going on. So let's get it right into the video. The market cap of the total market cap of the cryptocurrency industry is taking a nosedive, guys. We're back again, another 8% as of Thursday, May the 12th. We're off another 8%. And something that we've noticed, me and Hamed, is that the sentiment out there is going really sour, really fast. A lot of the people that were just shilling crypto a few months ago have really started to turn their backs on the industry. And I think that we'll start seeing very interesting opportunities in the coming weeks and months. So let's go into the greed and fear index. This is an index that gives you the sentiment of the market. Are people greedy? Are people fearful? This is one of the highest fear indicators that I've seen tracking this thing. It is really interesting to see how scared people are right now. It is really a fearful time for people. But when other people are afraid, we look at that as opportunity. There was a couple of articles that I thought were very important. One of those articles was the Coinbase article, right? You guys, if you were tracking this thing, Coinbase put out that if they were to go bankrupt, your coins on Coinbase are not protected if they were to go bankrupt. So that sent the market and that sent the crypto Twitter into a frenzy. So let's read the article. Coinbase lets users know what bankruptcy could mean for their crypto. Coinbase Global Inc., the rest of the crypto market, is having a really tough time, not feeling the bankruptcy bad, but the biggest U.S. crypto exchange did mention the B word in a regulatory filing, giving its customers a painful reminder of how bad things could get for them if Coinbase ever seriously gets in distress. In its quarterly report, Coinbase added a risk disclosure. If companies were to file for bankruptcy, the court might treat customers' assets that the exchange is a custodian of, their Bitcoin, their Dogecoin, or whatever, as Coinbase assets, and they'd be at the back of the line for repayment, forcing normal people unaccustomed in the ins and outs of federal bankruptcy court to claw back their money along with everybody else money is owed to. All right, the article goes on and on about some other stuff, but that's the main important piece there, you guys. This is why you need to have a MetaMask account, right? You need to be taking your money off of Coinbase, off of exchanges. Right now, they missed their target for Q1 by a lot. Right? Users have dropped off tremendously. I think they're down 20% on daily active users. Anything could happen to Coinbase, right? Obviously, we think Coinbase is going to be a fantastic company for a long time to come. But if you are holding your coins on Coinbase, your Bitcoin, your Dogecoin, your Cardano, your whatever on Coinbase, thinking that is the safe way to store your assets, this article and this week reminds you that you are deadly wrong, completely wrong. So make sure that you have your MetaMask or your cold wallets and your hot wallets set up so you can get your money out, so you can get your assets out of exchanges, because we're heading towards unforeseen times. We don't know what will happen. If you've been in the crypto space for a while, you will remember Mt. Gox. You will remember that big exchanges can go belly up relatively fast. So make sure you are protecting yourself out there, guys. The next article that I wanted to talk about was this Fast Company article that just came out. And this article, to me, reveals how mainstream media is it's cool again to dunk on crypto. It's cool again to talk bad about crypto. And you'll see what I mean when I read this article. So crypto crash draws fresh outrage over celebrity endorsements that didn't age too well. Even when Matt Damon's Crypto.com ad first launched on October 28th, 2021, it was widely seen as laying the heavy-handed hero worship a bit too thick, right? In the spot, the Oscar-winning actor compares investing crypto to milestones like the invention of human flight and space travel. They quote him right there. Now, if you bought $1,000 of Bitcoin when the ad launches, that same investment would be worth about $500 today. The price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have taken a nosedive over the past week, wiping out about $600 billion in market capitalization. If there were eye rolls and giggles at the self-serving Crypto.com spot at the time, it seems as if no amount of puke emojis would be enough to describe it. In the wake of the ongoing crypto crash, social media observers have been directing fresh outrage towards Damon, whose name was trending on Twitter earlier Thursday morning. Damon, however, wasn't the only mega rich celebrity egging on retail investors to join the crypto party over the past year. Spike Lee, Tom Brady, Gwyneth Paltrow, Reese Witherspoon, LeBron James, Jimmy Butler, Jay Bavin have all been a part of crypto hype machine through the brands like FTX, Binance, Coinbase, and Crypto.com and more. And then they go in to talk about specifically LeBron James and Larry David and some other guys. But the point that I read this article and that I'm bringing this article to you guys is you can see the vitriol that's coming. You can see the fact that a lot of people that were never on the crypto train coming to bash the space. And I think this is absolutely great because this is gonna bring down the crypto markets even more than they already are, and that's gonna provide us true believers with investment opportunities, guys. We are, I believe, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, altcoins like Ethereum, Cardano, even, I know that's controversial, but Cardano, Spell, Abracadabra, Wonderland, Time Wonderland, all these cryptocurrencies, altcoins, and some of the traditional blue chips are the investment opportunity of our lifetime. And we are here, we are awake, we are present during the time where these assets are in the toilet, are heading towards the toilet. And when this index is all the way in the fearful index and the mainstream media is no longer thinking it's cool to buy cryptocurrency, that is the time to strike. We aren't necessarily there yet. This is not financial advice. We're not telling you to go out and drop your life savings into cryptocurrency space. But what we are telling you is that people are starting to hate on crypto, and that is a good indicator that we are heading towards the bottom of the barrel. And when we get there, the people that have high conviction, the people that are looking to be a part of this industry, not for a week, not for a month, but for years, are going to be the people that win big. And we want our community to win big. Like my brother always says, outstretch returns. That's what we are looking for here at Radical Investor, guys. So yes, keep on trucking. Keep your mental health very, very good. Watch the markets. And if you can, get in where you can. And as always, happy hunting. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.